All right, let's do this real quick. So one last thing is if I take the third root of 12 and then I multiply that by the third root of 18. Remember, one of the properties of this is kind of a fun one. One of the properties of this is that we can actually just do this. Take the third root of these two numbers multiplied together. Okay? Now, one thing I want to point out to you guys, what do you notice about 12 and 18 with regards to factors? What number divides evenly into both of them? 3 does, 6 does as well, right? So that's an interesting thing. Anyways, what's 12 times 18? Anybody know off the top of their head? 216? Okay. So 216 is what it is. If you didn't know that, just grab a, well, it's too late now. If you don't have the fancy calculator, I'll pull mine up. Just watch the screen. But 12 times 18, and it, you know, one easy way to do that. What's 10 times 18? 180. What is 2 times 18? 36. What's 180 plus 36? 216. That's all right. So, anyways, let's just see that. 12 times 18. 216. So then I have to think to myself, is there a number that divides evenly into 216? Or let me reword that. Is there a power of 3 that divides evenly into 216? Or can I raise the number to the third power and actually get 216? So we don't know yet. We're going to say 2 raised to the third power. 8 probably goes into it. Maybe, I don't know. But we just keep repeating this process until we get pretty darn close. 4 would be the next one. 4 to the third power. 64, I don't know. 5 is 125. Okay. Let's try 6. 6 raised to the third power. Hey, well, bam with the bacon sizzle. 6 to the third power equals 216. So over here, just somewhere to the side, say 6 to the third power actually equals 216. So then we could take the cube root of 6 to the third power. Remember, that's the same as 6 to the 3 over 3. Right? Remember that property? And so then I've just got 6 to the first power, which is just 6. So there's that one. Can I move down to part B? Does everybody have this written down? Gonna slide down a little bit. Does everybody have that written down? All right. Part B is very similar. We'll write that in a different color. Part B, for this example, and I don't even know what number we're on. If I say the fourth root of 80 over the fourth root of 5, remember that one of the properties we could use is we could just say the fourth root of 80 over 5. Now the reason we want to do that is we can reduce it. So I just come in here and I say 80 divided by 5, and I get 16. So this whole thing reduces down to the fourth root of 16. And then I think to myself, is there a number that if I raise it to the fourth power, it equals 16? What do you guys think? Let's see. So we start with 2. 2 raised to the 4th power. I think that's it, actually. Yeah. So 2 raised to the 4th power equals 16. So this over here becomes the 4th root of 2 to the 4th, which is the same as 2 to the 4 over 4, which is the same as 2 to the 1st, which is 2. Okay? So that's our answer there. Any questions? Okay, that's it on that one.